Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato sauce macaroni. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of macaroni pasta, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 small diced onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and fresh basil for that aromatic finish. A pinch of sugar, salt, and pepper will perfectly balance the flavors. This easy guide will have you enjoying a comforting meal in no time. Now let's craft our flavorful tomato sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion for about 5 minutes until it's beautifully softened. Then, add the minced garlic, cooking for just 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Stir in the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together. While your sauce simmers, let's cook the macaroni to perfection. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your 1 pound of macaroni pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook it according to the package directions, which is typically 7 to 10 minutes, ensuring it's al dente. Once cooked, drain the macaroni thoroughly in a colander. Remember, do not rinse the pasta. This helps the sauce adhere better, creating a more flavorful dish. Finally, it's time to bring everything together and serve your delicious meal. Add the drained macaroni directly into your simmering tomato sauce. Toss gently to ensure every single piece of pasta is beautifully coated with the rich sauce. Cook them together for just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to truly meld. Serve immediately in warm bowls, garnishing generously with fresh basil leaves. For an extra touch of richness, consider adding some grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your homemade tomato sauce macaroni.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.